What is going on, guys? It's another day and we're currently at home ec. We're gonna get some bolts for my Recaro seat rail. All right, so it's been sitting in the car and so has my new seat. I haven't had the time to just put it in. I've been working a lot and yeah, got myself a Recaro seat. And I'm excited to install it. I'm actually gonna install it tonight. I'm gonna go over to Blind's house tonight and I'm gonna install it. So, make a long story short, I got the seat for Valentine's Day and my girlfriend got it for me. Yeah, she got me my dream seat and I'm more than thankful for it. So yeah, I'm excited to install it, guys. So I can't wait to show you guys what seat I will be getting or what seat I will be installing. So yeah, right now we're at home ec and I'm here looking for bolts to put this. It's a two-piece rail. Looking to, you know, do all that good stuff. So yeah, guys, let's start this video. So I want to explain something to my viewers in America, right? In the States. This does not mean JDM as F, okay? This does not mean JDM as fuck, okay? That means you are a beginner driver. I say again, a beginner driver. I went home last year and I seen a bunch of these and I was like, bro, no. But yeah, that means you're a beginner driver. Doesn't mean you're JDM. It means you're a beginner driver. So I thought I'd share that because I'm looking for fuses right now. And yeah, we already got the bolts for the good old seat rail, right? And right now we're looking for bolts. So right now I'm in the paint section. I think a can of paint would be good to paint the good old S14. What y'all think? And yeah, right now I have car wash stuff to my right and wiper blades. And yeah, this is so home ec is basically like it's like a mini yellow hat and a mini harbor, I wouldn't say harbor freight, kind of like a got some furniture stuff, it's got some car stuff. Oh man, what could I refer that to in the States? I wouldn't say, what could I refer that to? I don't know. Let me know. What do you guys think I could refer that to? So it's like a mini Home Depot kind of, like a small furniture store. Got some hardware stuff. I don't know. What would you categorize that as? I don't know. Let me know, guys. What do you guys think? So yeah. Alright guys, so we're headed to Kappa Sushi. We're gonna go grub a quick minute. And yeah, I'm gonna go catch up with Ryan, his daughter, and Blyant. So yeah, I'm excited to go eat something, have some energy for when I go and put this seat in. And yeah, I'm beyond excited. I wasn't even expecting a gift for Valentine's Day. I'm really not gonna lie to you. You know, the fact that my girlfriend got me this seat, I was just like, yo, that's crazy. Like Blyant was in on it and he literally like just, I'll show you guys the video so you guys can see, but I was blown away. I didn't even suspect or anything. It was crazy. But yeah, guys, you know, we're gonna head over to Kappa Sushi now and just vibe out. All right, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Sound good? Yeah? Alright, I know y'all heard that turbo flutter. That's just, ooh-wee! Sounded gorgeous. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys in a little bit when I get over to Blind's house. And yeah, peace. What the fuck is that?
I don't know how they got there, bro. I don't know what you're talking about.
Is that a cake?
Yeah?
No, it's a brick actually, covered in ice.
What is this?
I don't know.
It's a brick of heroin. Iced and ready for you.
What is this?
I don't know, man.
Yeah, I don't know what
You should go ahead and open it, though.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, let me move your brick of heroin.
Cocaína.
Here.
Can I borrow that knife?
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
You know my depth perception's bad.
That's true.
I mean, fucking Ice Age looking ass.
Just open it.
If I like,
Just cut it carefully.
There's seams.
There's a front. Cut here.
There's seams.
Cut through the tape or...
Edging.
I didn't get your shit.
is this why you guys didn't fucking buying a seat?
Me? When did I ever say anything about buying a seat? Somebody told you not to buy a seat?
Yeah, how?
Anybody besides how?
My girl got this?
Maybe.
Now you pimping his style, bro.
Just the name with Goku and the Supreme jacket. I just use them right now.
No, bring it over here, actually. Right over here.
Oh, that's the phone. Oh. Hey. Thank you. I'm kind of like speechless right now. I'm just like, I don't know what to say.
It's okay, if they care, that's what I know.
Yeah. This is dope as fuck.
Hell yeah, brother.
Well, the cake, dog. Don't you like the cake, bro?
Yeah, that's dope.
Man's just shit and tears.
And he doesn't even know what to do.
I'm just
bro,
like,
He's just holding the seeds like...
He's like shell shocked right now.
yeah, what the fuck?
What do I do with my hands?
Just put it down, bro. Put it down.
Take
It's
a
okay.
seat, take a seat.
I'm just,
Cógelo el coche ahí. Señor en la cámara. Cuidado, make sure it doesn't fall.
Alright guys, so here at my job and got the seat out. Got Blind right here with me. Tim again. Yep. So yeah, we got out the seat and yeah. So the seat that was in the car, SR-6, right? Damn man, what you doing right here, bro? It was like that.
I know.
It was like that already. So yeah, now to reveal the seat. Alright guys, and just like that, she's done. The seat is in. Recaro SR-3 confetti seat. I just finished putting it in. Honestly, I love it. Haven't sat in it yet. Ooh, I just kicked over my Red Bull. I haven't sat in it yet, but oh man, that thing looks awesome. I'm excited. All right, let's hop in the car and see what it feels like. Feels good. I like it, and I don't move around in it much. It's not a rocking chair. And then the bolsterings are like right there. Let me see. Move these toes back a little bit. Clutch right there. Let me see. Oh no, forgot. I'm using Blind's hub. Okay. Let's bring this forward a little bit. Let's see if this side's easier. Nope. Okay, so this side it is. Oh, this is different from the SR3. SR6 then. Okay. Alright, now we're not as reclined. Definitely feel a little bit higher. I can see over the dash now, which is kind of funny, because I was using Valentines SR-3 today, and I was on the floor, and I kind of like that floor feeling. It's like I'm nice and low on the ground and just driving, you know what I mean? Barely see over the thing, you know what I mean? But this feels good. Yeah, there's a second right there. That's where it's at right there, baby. That's where it's at. 3 to 2. You know what I mean? Drop a gear, disappear. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, it feels good. And then heel toe. Yeah, I'd say this feels good. Feels very comfortable. It doesn't feel, and given consideration, this is a brand new seat. It's a little on the stiff side. I don't know if it's because I gotta like sit in the cushion and just like break it in a little bit, but it feels good. It doesn't feel like a worn out seat. It looks brand new. And then the side bolstering, so if I'm like, it holds me in. It feels good. I'm in my work clothes, so it's gonna be a little hard, but I feel honestly very, very good. I can't complain. This feels nice for sure. So I feel like I'm missing something. I did bolt the seat down all the way correctly, but yeah, this is it. Confetti SR-3, and I'm excited. You know, this feels good. Feels nice. I like it. I like the way it feels, and yeah, Recaro. Nah, Recaro. I do plan to get a matching one for the passenger side and get a another one just like this Recaro Confetti SR-3. And for passenger, of course, so that whoever's riding with me is not like flopping around in the seat when we're drifting. Even though I don't plan to drive this car this year, like I said, I don't plan to. If it happens, it happens. I'm still waiting on tie rods for the S14 from GK Tech. Still have not gotten here. I'm waiting on, what else am I waiting on? I'm waiting on ball joints. That should be in sometime this weekend. But yeah, this seat feels awesome. I like it. I like the way it feels. You know, it's not too bulky, not too big, not too small. And I like this. You know, the SR7 that I had that client let me borrow was nice, but I kind of like this a little bit better. It gives a little bit of a better feeling. I'm not can't complain. And this came from my girlfriend, of course, so baby girl, thank you, I appreciate it. And yeah, that's really it. This seat feels awesome. So yeah, guys.